Today we're going to show you how to install the Subsurface Irrigation Grid. The area to be covered is approximately 325 square feet. Here you see the poly pipe with pre-installed connectors being placed on the perimeter of the area to be watered. There's actually three components to this system: the poly pipe with pre-installed connectors, the stakes to hold the system in place, and the soaker hose grid. Connect the poly pipe to the water source with a T and hold it in place with a couple of stakes. This will supply the water to the soaker hose grid. Now that the poly pipe with its connectors is down and secured, you can bring in the Subsurface Irrigation Grid, which comes in a roll. Just roll it out, just like carpet, and roll it along the middle of the area to be watered. Now take the sides of the system and stretch it to the necessary width in order to cover the area to be irrigated. Once that is secured, you can cut any excess to adjust to the shape of the area desired and just loop the ends with a 90-degree connector. Remove and discard any extra material, and all you'll need is a clipper tool. Now that the system is down and stretched to cover the entire area, connect the ends of the grid to the connectors on the poly pipe. This has taken approximately 45 minutes and your irrigation system is almost complete. But wait, you can test the system by opening the water for just a few seconds. As you can see, within seconds, the water begins to seep out evenly throughout the entire area. The next step is to cover the grid with approximately 1 inch of topsoil. And you're now ready to lay the sod. According to the university studies, the subsurface irrigation grid has been proven to save between 50 and 60% of water compared to conventional spray systems. So for further information, please contact Carlos Bujadas at area code 702-219-9800.